Hello, my name is Nedu. I am a DIY sewing enthusiast based in Lagos. Gathers are a beautiful way of adding fullness to a garment. It's really simple to do. The tricky bit is just how to achieve evenly distributed gathers. I'll show you two methods of doing this. Do keep watching. So the first method is the double straight stitch method, and the second is the cord and zigzag stitch method. With the double straight stitch method, simply sew two parallel stitches about 1/4 inch distance from each other. And then when you're done, pull the bobbin threads, that is the thread underneath, on both ends. Pulling will eventually scrunch up the fabric, making it smaller, and squeezing it, which will create gathers. You could use some twine or even wool as your gathering cord and place it directly under the center of the foot. Now change your machine setting to the longest stitch, the zigzag stitch, and the widest stitch. Now start to sew. The zigzag stitch will go over the twine, not into it. That way, the stitch creates a sort of tunnel or casing for the twine. And then when I pull the twine, it crunches up the fabric, and this compression creates nice even gathers. Remember to make a knot on one end of the cord so that when you pull, it doesn't slip out. And there you have it. You'll end up with beautiful, evenly distributed gathers with either method. I do hope you try this out. Best wishes!